Sho kuthiwa Tsolo awumncinananga namhlanje wethu uMhlonhlo municipality apha ke kuTsolo the Hill Boutique Hotel namhlanje celebrating women ngolusuku namhlanje. It's high tea with uSis T apha at the Hill Boutique Hotel. Kodwa ke sitting next to me ndaqheluma. Sitting next to me nguye ke umama uMseleko uSis Thobile. Seleko, ma'am, how are you doing today?
Happy, Buddha, how are you?
Siyaphila.
I'm good. It's nice to be here.
It's nice to be here. So just that nje kunjani base Eastern Cape and Tsolo?
It's quite amazing. Beautiful hills, cliff. It's so nice. It's so like let's have a breath of fresh air, you know. Seeing abantu baglendawo abahlezi beswelcome ngezandla eziwarm all the time. Sis K always making sure ukuthi uyas-include kuma events wakhe. I'm super excited and I think I'm privileged ukuba part of abantu besifazana abaningi kangaka abahle kangaka, and yeah, we can only bless the Lord for it.
To someone who doesn't know uThobile Mseleko okanye mhlawumbe omazi nje ngesithembu, because the theme of this event is overcoming the shadow barriers. So someone who knows you will say Gunkosikazi.
Correct. Correct.
To someone who doesn't know uSis Thobile ngubani uSis Thobile?
Before I'm a wife, indodakazi kaMama uMachiliza noBaba Khumalo. I'm Thobile Khumalo before I'm Mseleko. So umuntu wesifazane ozaziyo ofosayo in life opushayo ongavuma ukuvinjelwa noma yini. Abanye bazibiza ngaboxama bavinjelwa, but anginingeni uxama. Someone who works very hard, very purposeful in life, outspoken, and very opinionated. Hey, I know. I'm always laughing. Love people. Love family. Love people who are progressing in life. Yeah.
Now let's talk about empowering women. Because we are all about empowering women.
Correct.
August. What message were you conveying to the people inside Apakulena event? Just kobisa kancane.
Oguti, I think the most important one is to try and dig deep. Everyone has got a gift to classic show and it sound ngati sekuyi chorus, but it actually iqiniso, but it takes someone ukuthi abe ne courage ukuthi akwazi ukuthi ayoyiguba ayiphathisiwe siyibone ivela ngaphandle. So abantu besifazane, they must not doubt themselves, but they must know who they are, what they are about, babe sure about it, bese bayaphikelela even if situations and even if spaces are not even allowing for them ukuthi bashine, but they must force ukuthi bashine noma kunjani noma kwenzakalani.
You made mention of indabana abantu they must use you apha use me, I'm free. Mhlambi uSis Thobile Mseleko ufumaneka phi on socials and everything?
On socials, on Instagram, I'm Thobile K. I've got a boutique, so because there are so many scammers. On Facebook, I'm Makhumalo, Thobile Makhumalo Mseleko on a boutique. On Twitter, also X-Man, Thobile Makhumalo Mseleko. So it's very easy ukungithola. Other than that, ungangithola kukhona uThawu always available ukuthi akulekelela abantu. Number yakhe ikwi-bio yami on Instagram. So that number, use it. That email on my bio, use it. Ikona correct. If kukhona anyone who's saying come invest, come buy, come do this, that, make sure you go on that email, check ungibhalele email and double check what is it really you Makhumalo. So many people have been scammed by abantu abathatha ama chances kubhlungu, but I can't help you ngoba ngeke uvimbe namhlanje. You block this one, you report this one, tomorrow there's a new one. So just make sure ukuthi istory sakho uyasazi. Yes, we love money, we love imali esheshayo, but guys, normally imali iyasetshenzela. Once ayiboniza kalula, there must be something wrong.
Any hope of seeing Makhumalo in the Eastern Cape back again?
Of course. Akaze kuphela unyaka ngingafika nge-Eastern Cape. I'm sure na this year uzokuphela ngizobe sengingabuya. There's so many other areas, there are so many other beautiful ladies abasafisa ukusebenzisana nathi nabomasipala abahlukahlukene. So I'm available, guys. Use me.
Thank you so much.
You're welcome, my brother.